Hi, everybody. This is Deborah Morris with Deborah Morris Home Team, Keller Williams Advantage Realty. I am switching gears a little bit today and introducing one of my business partners that I know through the Seminole Chamber. It's Rahil Noor. He's from Tax Relief Accounting Services, and he is going to share with you a tip of the week and what I call the words of wisdom with you. So take it away, Rahil.
Thank you very much, Deborah, for inviting me. I really appreciate that. As you said, I mean, with the chamber, we have a lot of options and stuff, and we get to network together and stuff. I'd like to share one quick tip. I mean, there's not enough time to go into too much detail about this, but if you are self-employed individuals getting a 1099, especially if you are in a sales role type of thing, like a realtor or any other kind of sales, there can be a lot of tax savings that you might be able to take advantage of just by restructuring your corporate tax structure. So even if you are self-employed, I mean, you can still take advantage of the corporate structure because the IRS provides certain provisions that can help reduce the taxes and stuff. So if you are confused about LLCs versus S corps versus C corps and stuff, I would advise, I mean, getting together with your accountant or calling me, and we can talk about what advantages do you have with certain different types of structures. Now, one structure may not be the best for everyone. So there might be certain things that we might have to talk about, your income potential and different types of things. So you can't just say, yeah, just go with S Corp and that will solve all your problems. But there are certain things that you have to take into account. And well, there's an advantage and there's also a little bit of a disadvantage. So what I would like to, what I advise most of the time with the real estate agents and salespeople is let's sit down and talk. Let me review what you have, and then I can suggest whether one type of structure makes more sense than the other, and we can go from we can decide what's the best fit for you.
Let me ask you, is there a particular time of year that this should be done? In other words, this is the last quarter. Is this a good or a bad time, or any time of the year you can do this?
You can do this any time of the year, but the best advantage you will get is at the beginning of the year. You will realize the savings in the year after that, because once you file your tax papers at the end of the year, that's when you will see the returns and stuff. And some of my real estate clients and stuff, I was able to save them $12,000, $15,000 a year going forward. So there is significant tax advantages that you can take advantage of. But if you decide to do this in the beginning of the year, you can get the benefit of the whole year. And again, it depends on the timing and stuff when you start and everything. Then we can sit down and talk about what would be the best thing for you to do.
But this actually is probably the best time to reach out to you right now as they're doing business planning for 2021. Right?
Absolutely, yes. Absolutely, yes.
How do they contact you?
So you can call me 407-212-7292. or email me at lakemary@taxleaf.com.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for that tip, and we'd love to bring you back in the future for another tip. Does that sound good?
I would love to come back. Yes, absolutely. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a super day.
You too.